How to turn on or turn off switch to secure connection HTTPS for Samsung Internet on the Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, in here, we go down and tap on the menu button, then tap on settings. In Internet settings, we go down and tap on privacy dashboard, then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on switch to secure connection HTTPS. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch it on. And when this is on, it says that if you visit an unencrypted website, you will be automatically redirected to the encrypted HTTPS version if the website supports it. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key to go back to your web page, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.